Let me show you what you can do if your screen looks very weird. For example, it has tint, maybe some kind of like yellow or red or green or whatever color tint. As you see, it looks completely off, so absolutely crazy. So we probably have enabled this by accident. If we go in the settings, find essentially your accessibility settings over here and click on vision enhancements and find what you actually have enabled. So we actually have like tons of different like features. So if you maybe have some vision problems, you can essentially enable them over here, and maybe you'll be able to actually see better the screen. So simply go through all these options and see what is actually enabled. For example, as you see, I have this color filter enabled over here. As you see, if I turn it off, my colors actually return to normal. Again, this color correction also might be actually causing it, or one of these like high contrast fonts and stuff like that also might be causing it. By the way, also if you like quickly swipe down from this side in these quick launch menus, you also have these like quick shortcuts where you can actually enable these. So it's most likely that you probably somehow accidentally like accessed and clicked one of these. So as you see, if I enable this, my screen goes completely crazy. So this is probably the main cause of it. Anyway, good luck.